About to change the oil on my 1999 Toyota Avalon XLS. I haven't seen any videos up like this, so I guess it's gonna be the first of its kind. Right now I'm jacking this up. Make sure this hose off the ground. Right now I'm just jacking this up to where I can get underneath it. I think that should be enough to get under the car. Okay. Should be enough to get under the car, right? We're gonna put some more support systems down because this is my first one. Okay, the car has been properly lifted. Got these support jacks in place just in case the car decides it wants to go find a destination, right, nigga? Got the extra jacks under here. Okay. I think I might even have an oil leak, my nigga. Yeah. That shit's coming from somewhere. But anyway, I'm gonna focus on this hoe real quick. Okay, right there I think is the oil screw. I'm about to unscrew it and see if oil comes out. Oh shit, got it. Yep, there we go. Okay, now we're gonna let all that bad oil drain out real quick. Get an oil pan. Like I said, this is my first time, but I've watched a couple YouTube videos and I've been around a mechanic who knew something. So I'm gonna just let that drain out and I'm gonna come back. Okay, now that all the oil's basically dripping out. Okay, this is the oil filter right here. That blue thing, it's right under here. The car hasn't been on yet, so this is not hot. But if you're gonna change your oil, after you cut the car off, don't touch that. It's pretty fucking hot. That's for the most part. I can do that. It's not hot. So I'm gonna reach under here. They say it's supposed to be hand tight. Hopefully I don't need a wrench. Yeah, I might need a wrench or an oil filter wrench. Let's see. So I finally found this universal oil filter wrench. What you're gonna do is, this is only supposed to be hand tight. I don't know who actually put this on here, but this is supposed to be hand tight. What you do is you're gonna grab this right here and then turn it to the left. See how I'm doing it? You're just gonna grab it, turn it to the left, and use that. Now you can unfasten it like such. And bam, that's how the oil filter comes off. I'm gonna put a new one on and I'm gonna show you how to do that. Okay, I got the STP extended life for 10,000 miles. I'm gonna dock it then. It's covered. The little plastic is covered so nothing gets in there. It's pretty straight. This is my how-to. You take it. Remember, this is only supposed to be hand tight. Take it and you just screw it back on as such. My car is pretty easy to do this. I don't know. I got an older model car, but I put that STP filter in. Make sure it's tight all the way. You don't want it to be too tight, like I said, but hand tighten. And that's how you do it. That's how you change your oil filter to a 1999 Toyota Avalon XLS. I'm gonna add the oil and then I'll be done. Okay, got my engine oil. This is 5W30. This is for my car. I don't know what your car take, but always add the recommended oil for your car. Just pour away. I got some more somewhere else. I'm about to go get it. Okay. Now this is pretty easy to do. I did it my first time. If you can easily access your oil filter like I can, then I recommend you not pay a mechanic. This is a pretty straightforward job, and honestly, it would have taken me about 20 minutes. About 20 minutes. Real talk. But I had to get the oil filter wrench, and I couldn't find that, so that took about a day and a half, and then it rained, so it prolonged the assembly, or the DIY of oil filters. I'm sorry. Yeah, anybody can do it. I recommend you do it. Save yourself some time and money. That's how you change the oil filter on a 1999 Toyota Avalon XLS. Thank you for watching.